Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to go over with a little kind of something that I do. I don't know how many of you guys go out fishing for a day, then you come back and your boat sets with some river water in it, and you see things like this. Show you guys on how to get rid of all of that old pond scum and residue that builds up in these channels like this. You can see, I can scrape it, nothing happens. That's down inside the texturing, so I can't get that out because that's in that texture. So let me show you guys a product that I'd found that works extremely well for getting rid of this stuff, so stick around. Alright, so the product that I'm talking about is a product called superclean, and this is a cleaner type degreaser, and as you guys can see there, it is 100% biodegradable detergents in it. So if you get this stuff, get the degreaser, the type of cleaner degreaser, and because this is really safe for using on your traction pads, your silencing pads, any type of bungee. It will not fade it. It's got a very low acidic on it. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys kind of like how quickly it'll clean this stuff up right here. Because you can see, you can rub on it all you want. It's not going to come out just by that. I'm going to spray this whole area down. All the areas where I see staining like that, I'm going to spray it down with the superclean degreaser and let it set for 30 seconds and then get a small brush. Brush it a little bit and let it go. Okay, and if you guys can see the tip on this thing, there is a foaming action tip right here. So they've designed this bottle with a foaming action tip that gives it a little bit of a foam to it. I'm just going to go spray this area down right here. What I won't do, I won't spray that area, but I'm spraying this down over here. I'm going to let that set for about 30 seconds, and then I'm going to use the brush and then brush it down. Now that I've let this set for about a minute to 30 seconds, I'm just going to brush it down. It's foaming up. So now that I've brushed all of that off, I'm going to get the water hose and I'm just going to go through and just wash it off real quick. Look at how that just took that right out of that. Lift it up a little bit. Maybe rub down in there a little more. But I've been so impressed with this stuff. Look how it cleaned that traction pad nicely. Look at like this other side. I sprayed that. I didn't spray this side, but you can see over here how that little brownness is still around. Look how it just lifted all of that out of there. Super safe for the boat. You're not going to worry about anything on the boat. Yeah, so once again, all of this textured area is really hard to get that grime out of. But you get you a bottle of this Super Clean. This is available at Walmart. I think it's at AutoZone. It's a lot of different areas around, but I highly recommend this stuff. It's got a wide range of uses, but one thing it does extremely well is get out that dirt and grime that gets in the texture of our plastic when we paddle the boats. Yeah, so this is not a problem that you see so much with the whitewater boats as much as you do with like kayak fishing boats. It's really annoying, but after finding the super clean stuff and after a couple usage, I said, okay, I think I found what I'm looking for as far as getting any type of grime, dirt, and all that. You can see the difference in the sides right here. This is the untreated side, and that's the treated side. And all I did was just spray it, hit it with a brush, and let it go. So yeah, you guys leave in the comments below what you guys think of this stuff, if you've had any experience with it. Thanks a lot, everybody. Thanks for watching, and I'll leave a link in the description below where you can pick some of this stuff up. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to finish cleaning all of these areas out, and I will catch you guys next time. Super clean. Super clean. There we go.